Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well and have done your short question answers in your fair notebooks. Today we are going to start long answer type questions. For that, open your fair notebooks and listen to me carefully. No need to see your screens. Just listen to me and write them down in your fair notebooks. For this, I will tell you along with the page number also. You can take help from those pages. First question is, list the precautions that should be taken while using thermometer. List the precautions that should be taken while using thermometer. Open your books at page number 39. Start writing answer. Following precautions should be taken while using thermometer. Following precautions should be taken while using thermometer. Point 1. Points you have to write from next line. Point 1. Always wash the thermometer before and after use. Always wash the thermometer before and after use. Second point, do not hold the thermometer by a bulb. Do not hold the thermometer by a bulb. Point third, read the temperature by keeping the thermometer at eye level. Read the temperature by keeping the thermometer at eye level. Fourth point, always make sure that mercury in the thermometer is below the mark of mark of normal temperature. Always make sure that mercury in the thermometer is below the mark of normal temperature. Fifth point, handle it carefully as it can break easily. Handle it carefully as it can break easily. Now the second question. Explain briefly the different modes of heat transfer. Explain briefly the different modes, MODES, modes of heat transfer. Start writing answer. Different modes of transfer of heat. Different modes, MODES, modes of transfer of heat are dash, conduction, convection, radiation. Different modes of transfer of heat are dash, conduction, CONDUCTION, convection, CONVECTION, radiation, 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 full stop. Now give the heading in next line. Conduction, CONDUCTION, conduction. Underline the conduction word. And from next line write down first point. Conduction is mode of transfer of heat in solids. Conduction is mode of transfer of heat in solids within a body. Within, WITHIN, within a body, or when two bodies are in contact. Point second, transfer of heat by conduction takes place. Transfer of heat by conduction takes place mostly in solids. Third point, conduction occurs when the molecules at hotter end of an object acquire acquire energy and vibrate. Fourth point, for conduction to occur, substances should be in contact and their temperature should be different. Now the next heading, convection, convection, convection. Underline the heading. Write first point. Convection is a mode of mode of transfer of heat by actual movement of molecules in liquids and gases. Second point, convection do not occur in solids as molecules of solids are tightly packed and cannot move. Third point, convection currents, currents. Convection currents are set up with movement of molecules and transfer of heat occurs. Third heading from next line, radiation, radiation, radiation. Underline the heading. Point 1, radiation is mode of transfer of heat that does not require any medium. Second point, heat is transmitted in all directions in radiation method. Third point, the extent, extent of absorption and reflection of heat depends upon nature and color of object. In the next video, we will continue our long question answers. Till then, you have to complete these 2 long questions in your fair notebook.